Number 23 on the 2025 AMC 12B problem. Let S be the set of integers z is bigger than 1 such that for all pairs of non-negative integers xy with xyz, the remainder when 2025 x is divided by z is less than the remainder of 2025 y. What's the sum? So for all integers that satisfy x is smaller than y, 2025 x divided by z is 2025 y divided by z. So it should become like this, the remainder. However, something to note is that, for example, if just arbitrary a is 6 and b is 8, dividing it by 7 and making the remainder is 6 and 1. So it changes. So for this one, as x is smaller than y and y is smaller than z, something like this is not going to happen. However, something like this might happen. For example, there is 3 and, for example, 6. Then multiply by 2, 6 and 12. Mod 8, 6, and 4. So this changes. So if nothing is multiplied to x and y, then it will remain true. This equation, this direction here. So to see it like this, 2025x, then z, for example, if z is something like 5, then the remainder, for example 6, then the remainder should be something like 2025 divided by 6 times x divided by 6, the remainder. So if we think of it like this, as x divided by z's remainder, y divided by z's remainder, this holds true every time. We gotta make it so that, let's call x's remainder x prime and y's remainder y prime. The 2025 x divided by z remainder should be something times x prime, and same thing for here. Now this something should be 1, as the example mentioned earlier, 3, 6, 6, 12, this direction changes. So for this to be 1, z should be a factor of 2024, because if you see 2025 divided by z should be equal to 1, so therefore z should be a factor of 2025 minus 1. Now 2024 is 4 times 2 times 23 times 11, so 2 to the third power times 23 times 11. Now z cannot be 1. So the sum of z is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, 1 plus 23, 1 plus 11. And that is equal to 15, 24 times 12, which is equal to, again, 180 times 24. So that is equal to 4,320. Now we gotta subtract 1, so the answer is 4,319, which is answer choice C.